Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Neetika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. Today, let's first discuss one important news which is coming from US and the effect of it on our Indian stock market. Why our Indian stock market was falling since 3 days, and then we'll discuss the Nifty 50, Nifty Bank level for the next week. So, to know the level for the Nifty, stay connected till then and hit the like button now and subscribe the channel for regular update. So, let's begin with the important news which is coming from the US. Actually, they have released the US job data. So, data is saying that in June, the economy created 209,000 job, means 2 lakh 9,000 jobs in June, and they have actually missed the expectation which was 225,000, यानी 2 lakh 25,000 expectation थी, बट जॉब कितना आया है 2 lakh 9,000 ओनली, एंड द सेम थिंग इन लास्ट मंथ इट वॉज 3 lakh 6,000, मतलब 306,000 था इन लास्ट मंथ इन मीन्स इन मे it was 3 lakh 6,000 in prior month in May, but this month it has become the 2 lakh 9,000, and this is the only reason which is actually negative news. Market the जो है has shown the concern of what concern of again the rate hike, interest rate hike in coming Fed meeting which is going to happen in July last week. So this is the main concern in US market, or if your US market is getting affected with this, of course our Indian market will get affected with this. तो इसलिए लास्ट दो एक दो दिनों से मार्केट वॉज डाउन, मार्केट वॉज निगेटिव, और और भी बहुत सारी न्यूज़ इसमें डिटेल में है, बट मेन हाईलाइट यही है कि एक कंसर्न क्रिएट हो गया है फॉर द न्यू इंटरेस्ट रेट हाइक का, और जॉब डेटा वाज नॉट गुड इन यूएस. हाउ इट विल अफेक्ट अवर इंडियन मार्केट इन नेक्स्ट वीक, लेट्स सी. Let's go to the chart. So now we have come to the chart, and chart is showing this I mean ये क्या था, लास्ट फ्राइडे इट वाज टोटली, अगर मैं थोड़ा सा जूम करूँ तो लास्ट फ्राइडे इट वाज टोटली नेगेटिव, and it has closed on 19,330, and it has saved one important support which is 19,300. I guess it has touched the low of, yes, it has touched the low of 19,300 around. So it has saved this level which is good support yet, but if it's breaking this level, I'm expecting first 19,200, and then of course 19,000 is a good support, and there is no concern if it is coming till here 19,000 till 90,000, and which is 20 EMA also. सो 20 MA तक अगर ये टिका रहता है तो दैट मीन्स ओके, थोड़ा बहुत करेक्शन इज वेरी गुड, वेरी हेल्दी फॉर द स्टॉक मार्केट, बट यू शुड keep eyes on this 19,000 level. It should not break it. This is actually a very good support, but abhi we are keeping eye on 19,200. So what can be the level for the next week for Nifty 50? The Nifty 50 level, the Nifty 50 range for next week can be 19,000 to 19,650. And if we talk about the resistance, so resistance is 19,650, which is actually 19,650 भी इसने टच नहीं किया, it has touched the 19,540 50 के आसपास it has touched till now. But if it goes good, it is going good, so it can touch the 19,650 650 तक, but 650 पे एक अच्छा खासा resistance है. So in this week I'm not expecting is in this situation, I'm not expecting कि it will break this 19,650. If it's breaking, that is actually very good. But ऐसा नहीं कि वो लगातार बस भागता ही जाएगा निफ्टी फिफ्टी, इट नेवर हैपेंस. सो 19,650 एक अच्छा खासा रेजिस्टेंस आई एम सीइंग नाउ. सो निफ्टी फिफ्टी रेंज फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक कैन बी 19,000 to 19,650. But of course, after breaking 19,200, it will go to 19,000. Now let's discuss about Nifty Bank. So now we have come to the Nifty Bank chart. What is Nifty Bank saying and showing? Nifty Bank is showing that it has also shown the negativity in last Friday, and it has closed all about 45,000 क्या 45 40, sorry 44,900 के आसपास it has closed. We can see the low, it is 44,000, yes 850 के आसपास लो भी टच किया, क्लोज हुआ 44,900 के आसपास, एंड इट हैज टच द हाई ऑफ 45,230. तो एक ये इसका एक ये रेजिस्टेंस एक्चुअली क्रिएट हो चुका है 45,600, नो 700, यस 45,700 के पास एक रेजिस्टेंस है जो अभी still it is intact for next week also. Yes, it was even last week I have given the same resistance level for the Nifty Bank. I will give the link of that video in I button. You can see again that the those level are मतलब कि almost same ही है. Yes, the resistance level is same, but yes, support is going to change. It has now become 44,400. 44,400 के आसपास, जो कि अगेन इट इज ऑल्सो द 20 EMA ऑफ निफ्टी बैंक. सो 44,400 के पास एक गुड सपोर्ट है, बट वो अभी बहुत दूर है. तो अभी ये अगेन स्टिल इट इज स्टैंडिंग ऑन a small support, actually I will say, not a good support. Yes, it is standing on a good support at 44,900. 44,900 को तोड़ते ही it may touch the 44,400 level in next week. But first, let it breach the 44,900. So Nifty Bank trading range for the next week can be 44,400 to 45,700. But yes, 44,400 will come only after breaking the 44,900 or 850 something. So 44,850. So these are the level for the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank. Nifty 50 is 19,000 to 19,650. 19,000 will come after breaking 19,200, and Nifty Bank is 44,400 to 45,700. But yes, 44,400 will come after only will come after breaking 44,850. So keep these level in your mind, and for these regular update, keep liking, keep sharing, and subscribe the channel also, and stay connected to the channel. Signing off.